Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fitra. Today I would like to share you guys my opinion or what I know about public speaking. So, first, what is public speaking? Public speaking is an act of speech in front of an audience, whether it's just one person, or even a group of people. So, the purpose of public speaking is to inform, to pursue, and we can and even entertain an audience. So, if we talk in front of everyone, we can entertain or inform anything we want. And public speaking is used not only just in school, but in a workplace or even an public event. So, public speaking is a skill we can use anywhere. What can I do or what I get after learning public speaking? So, the first one is, now I am more confident in myself, so I can talk in front of many people or in front of audience without getting nervous or scared. So, the next one is, I can finally express myself in front of everyone. Because I am no longer nervous, I can express my feelings or what I want to tell them. I can do it confidently. The next one, public speaking helps me to improve my communication skills. So, learning public speaking it's not just about talk in front of people, but we can improve our communication skills, like when we present something in front of many people, or we just talk in front of them. And the last one is, like I said before, that the purpose of public speaking is to inform, to pursue, and to entertain the audience. So, after learning public speaking, I can finally inform the information that I want to them, pursue them, or even entertain them with my speech. So, therefore, public speaking it's not just skill. It's not just simple skill. It's an important skill to learn because it can help us to improve everything so we can talk fluently and confidently in English. So I would like to invite you guys to learn public speaking so we can improve ourselves to our max potential. Maybe that's all I can tell you guys about my opinion of public speaking. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.